So you tend to approach it bottoms up, company by company, as opposed to a broader thesis on why tech matters and how it outperforms or anything like that. So you're generally focused bottoms up on stock picking.
Yes, although I will say that overall, where we will pick a theme. So a great example, I guess, if we could all travel back in time, would be mobile. And I'll tie this into how I look at things today. If you could go back in time around 2010 and pick a tech portfolio, there's no reason to own anything but mobile. Mobile gave us the native application of Facebook, which is when Facebook exploded. It gave us a search engine and Google Maps in our pocket. Google exploded at that time. Of course, Apple is mobile. So there's no reason to go looking around and spread yourself too thin here because mobile was the place to be. Now within mobile, like how do you find those big winners? So for us, it's AI. And that sounds very buzzword today, but I do want to just reiterate, this has been a thesis of ours for many years on record, archived. But within that, this is, in my humble opinion here, the number one investment opportunity of our lifetimes, the generation before us, their lifetime, the generation after us. This is an enormous opportunity and there's nowhere else to invest right now, in my opinion. We do add some diversification, but it's, like I said, we had 45% AI exposure going into this year. When we look at pullbacks, our plan and strategy is to continue to build AI.